Good morning, YouTube, and we are in beautiful Atlantic Beach, and we have hooked up. Yes, we do small projects. We just threw in some mulch in the front. This was all an added bonus. We were here today to hook up the backyard, but as we tend to do, we hook up our customers. So let's check it out. Here's the after. Check the link for the before. Voila! Now, was this lava rock flown in fresh from Hawaii? I can't say that at this moment in time. I can't confirm that. I can't deny it. And we have fresh mulch, cleaned up the whole backyard, put in the high quality landscape fabric. We painted these steps just to give them a consistent color. I should have a cool area to come back here and hang out. Put in the edging, and this is what makes your landscape hold its design. You need to have a physical barrier to keep your mulch in the mulch area and your grass in the lawn, or they will merge on you. So now she has a really sharp setup. This was her idea in terms of she wanted lava rock. She wanted mulch. Trimmed up the trees, trimmed up the hedges. We even got this palm that's here behind me. It's a young palm, so we didn't trim it too much. It's a young queen palm there. 904-321-9181. Florida Pro Lawn Care. You can text as well. And hit me up on Instagram at Florida Pro Lawn Care. Thanks for checking out the video. YouTube, subscribe for more awesome landscaping videos. Until the next time, peace.